Remember done shit bad already. And me can't identify and tell you the girls I'm buy the shape sad. Cause I couldn't buy shape on blood clots had. Remember Jungle Justice now walk and look for my shape now on my face. Me done shape bad already. The world know my back big. Me never did I hide it. Me just stuck it up on the blood clot something. Me eat, sleep and drink every day perfectly well. I'm gonna eat my blood clot said, but I'm naturally funny. Naturally can't keep a hard dance. Naturally can't keep a blood clot dance. These girls them got nothing on me. All them have a two tack and dack. My pussy no stink, my mouth no stink, my arm no blood clot green. I no have dangers on my blood clot head. And my wrap sheet clean. Me not worry about shit. My wrap my file clean. Me not worry about shape. My file clean. Me no cops bed. Me no cops bed. Me no community post. Me no Yankee belly. Me no choke back no dig out. And everything fuck me. I'm a one pussy. I'm a one mouth. And me no finish. So what kind of problem I could have really blood clot have? Me no have no file. Me no have no long time skeleton in my blood clot closet. When me young for come shoot out pa me pan the net. See that's me big 32. Me never suck a pussy yet. And I when me hold. Me try out Jeep short. Cause when me young me never used to suck hood. My file clean. So all the girl that about shape, the only thing me have a shape but my file clean. Clean. No artists are rev out ear and ear. Me not sacrifice no for make nothing. My file clean. Them only can't talk some shit, but them have them dirty blood clot. Skeleton you rock up on them so. Me not have nothing go jump up me on the internet. The world no me live in a old abandoned blood clot building and soon to move. I'ma buy one car. I may have my name. Me not have no skeleton in my closet. Yeah. One time they used to say my fuck my mother man and me that blood clot sepit cause my fuck out of my good one. My mother girl don't know nothing about me. Remember when me a bleed a pad me use and not tampad. Remember me never shoot a boy yet. Pop. My file clean. My file clean. The only thing them can say my shit but my file clean. Can't go to the airport, go run my rap sheet clean. Everything I play tick. So what shape would I go? I go up on my man bike cause I feel like. So when the one around come make blood clot, they come suck out underneath my blood clot pussy. My good pussy. My taste good fibers. And if the lactose and blood clot turn around to walk with a blood clot back milk. If the lactose and tolerant walk with a blood clot back milk. I'm afraid that one can't blood clot bully me. The world know me shape bad already. Me never did I hide it. Me never tack it up and full it up and roll it. The world know my back big. Yeah. Me never dack it up. I would my people. You know something I request you know? Me don't want to dark shit so me not request I work my come. The world know my shit bad already. Yeah. Me not let go the FYP go no. Me not let go the FYP go no. From 1962, someone of the pan blood. From 1960, blood clot 2. From 1962, someone of the pan blood clot TikTok. And you can't show TikTok by on a pencil. But you know people business. From people used to store From people used to smoke tradition till them start smoke Newport, till them start smoke Marlboro, till them start smoke Rockman. Till them blood clots start on the craving. I know we have hookah and vape. When they on TikTok, when don't want a good blood clot team. When you can't show a TikTok by you. People business on the belly. People business on the name and don't even like beard. I could have never get up in the early morning. Now wash my face and wash my mouth and wash up my pussy and come. Big stinking Rosealee. And for the from 9 to 9. 10 to 10. And when me looking at my balance, I don't see $200 for a blood clot reason. Then that's a big stinking Rosealee. Me obsessed over blood clot, big thinking she. I work me blood clot coming. I'm gonna set my life goal coming. I go do this. Come, I'm moving. I'm gonna set my life goal. I'm not gonna say with someone. I'm gonna leave. Whatever with them chat me. This is what we do now. You are done. Me not come here. We do now. No, I walk farmer cold and flow. Day in, day out, people business. In them blood clot. Come suck me. Come in and walk and seek validation. Come bite out my blood clot pussy. I take anything I want, take in my wall and my mouth and my throat anywhere part of blood clot me. My power do my want blood clot part. Come suck me. When I go like you can program, girl. Lick out to no matter no can blood clot program me. Oh. I would live goal if you said. Every day. Rose. Supposed to go up and blood clot. My boss supposed to blood clot. Go up and bite back. Me can't go up there and the man biking can tack and still can ride. I'm gonna pop off nothing. In a long time, the one I come back and I tell him no. But he just down, palm me and chipping and I say, alright then. I want life, me have to live in my bruise up, Me I try out that challenge here. I'm a reach pan and it go round the road. It go round the road and come back round with a mess. When you can't take out my happiness. You know what I say I'm happy? Them don't want to see me happy. Them always try to take out my happiness. Them don't want to see my blood clot happy. No, top girl. Them feel like them can't see me non happiness. I just let me hear my blood clot mama chat say, yeah, I know. But look on every day. I'm say she come like me and her friend. I'm gonna look on her, you know. Because I have a big surprise, is she. Yeah. And not even say one big blood clot surprise. She have days, she have years where she want to talk to me and I look on her. She go wonder what she do me. My mind of the whole of them when my mother come over the world run, go look clout, you know. Who never want buy her phone, did want buy her this, they want buy her blood clot that. It just never go the way them want. It just never go the way with them plan. Because the FYP are for everybody. The FYPs belong to everybody. So why when me depend it and around you know why me depend it? Me not let go my employer the month, I'm sorry. Now let it go. So you can't go and sit down and wait and ball and murmur. Anything you want to say about me, I say go. You know, come try to. explain myself. When I say my bad man, I saw you go. My shape bad, I saw you go. When I come here, come try to sit and explain why, wow, anything want to say it we I work with. Anything. When I come explain myself to nobody, anything when them say it me a damn work with. I don't know. I'm sad. Like tomorrow and tomorrow. Where? The amount of them me over here for my name. You know, if I'm when TJ Bug Life will enter the chat, he might try hard for me see him. Condemnation of the land. Why me see him? I'm not look on him. TJ, I don't even have 2 words to you. And not even going to rep a man. You not look a blood clot. Because I know I strictly clout you a look. I mean, I look for you, lady. I never see a man argue so like a bitch. It's true. I be a bad man. You take me not argue with you. I couldn't have my man a clone out himself on the internet, so I couldn't have my man a clone out. I said I couldn't have my man a clone need. I couldn't have my man a clone out himself on the net, so I call him a man. Lock him out, girl. I give it to you, miss. Are your panties is supposed to wetter than mine when me piss? I not argue with the boy, them men them bend down and piss alike. Yeah. I not argue with the boy, them men them bend down and cock up and piss alike. I argue with you, baby. Me. You're not answer bad mind for what exactly? I want no more for bad mind blood clot. Me come just take it easy. You see me take it easy. For me, Paula, I click my walk with you now. It's click me walk with. It's click me walk with. I remember them like company net come sit down and hold one long conversation about you. I explain. The what they come up, what they come about you and the enablers. And go get some enablers, pussy. Come like a jar and take in. You come like same time you about Rosealee, a jar seat get tighter. Me say people are sick. Hey, I pay my people. But say, it come like when the boys them here about me over here, them jaw seat get tighter. I wouldn't really want to sit and have conversation with you. Me I'm not gonna do no back and forth, you know. Cause sometimes mean that even in blood clot important. My proud of me blood clot earth. And then make me feel alive. Whether them have it or not, them come support me with even a look. But not look for you. Me offer me the FYP on the bike back with my broad back. Me not ask. And the boy take on a 10-year challenge. The boy say, come on the bike back. I say, no. You know, some asked me already one night. I come on the bike back. I say, look, boy, we're going to not do that. You know, leave me alone. And him never blood clot. He said, boy, is a determined blood clot, boy. More than one time we have the conversation to come on the bike. I'm going to say, no. I'm not doing it. I'm going to say, the boy, the blood clotting. I say, I can't go on the bike. I'm afraid. They must come on the big part and they come on the little part. Chat, I go up on the big part and I'm ease up the piece of little bumper I have on the little part. And then him say, what up on me? And then I say, alright. And then it was a nice experience. It was fun, cool. Life is all that experience. But don't want your people business. Yeah. I believe that. How them not get? Life is out there to experience. Someone literally take the phone out of TikTok because we no bear in the mind that people blood clot business. Who the fuck cares? Nobody not care. Life is out there to experience. Someone will come here and don't even brush your teeth. I want to go to people's personal life affairs. Nobody not care about that. Life is out there to experience. I tell myself in life, if me have money, I like for the skydiving. Go there, look up, and sometimes we change my ass mind. I'm all on the boy. Who the fuck cares?